So one of my kid took this long shoehorn, which is really handy at times, and kind of broke it. I mean, it's almost certain that he should put super glue over here. It will hold for a while, but since this place right here, it takes the load, so it's gonna break again. So one way is that maybe I was thinking that I could maybe fix it like this, and then maybe, okay, the length will be a little shorter than before, but if I fix it like this, then it may be strong enough. But then I need to have some way of sticking these two pieces together. So I have an idea that I thought I should share with you, but first I want to make these two ends straight so that they don't look crooked or broken. Let's get started. Okay, just file it. This one as well. Okay, so it doesn't look like it's broken. So now I'm not gonna do this, but instead I'm gonna fix it right here. And the way I'm gonna do it is by riveting it. Let's do it. Okay, so it's gonna be something like this. Okay, we have the first hole done all the way from one to the next one, and I have a box of rivets. These are pretty strong rivets. So yeah, I need to make the hole a little bit bigger. So I managed to push in the first one. So now basically let me drill other holes, maybe just two more, one here and one here. So once I'm done, I'll be back with the video. Okay, something a bit bad happened there while I was trying to push in one hole. I accidentally broke a little more, so I off the record I cut this down as well. So I have one hole at this point that I can push in the rivet. So let's just try it. Okay, here it is, one rivet. I'm gonna use my automatic riveter to pull that out. This is it. Here goes nothing. Here it goes. It doesn't take that much of strength. Still, it's not that bad. Let's call it a day here.